Hi, welcome to the lesson about performing long division. The process of long division is used in dividing multi-digit numbers. In this lesson, the long division will be used in dividing multi-digit whole numbers. You may have noticed why division is tackled after addition, subtraction and multiplication. It is because you would need your required skills of adding, subtracting, and multiplying in the process of performing division. You will get to apply all those skills again in performing long division and in checking if the quotient is correct. Let us start with 925 divided by 6. In performing the long division, the expression has to be rewritten to accommodate the process. The dividend, 925, is written within an enclosure representing the division symbol, and the divisor, 6, is written on the left side. This is then read from right to left, as 925 divided by 6. In this process, we start dividing the digit in the biggest place value of the dividend. In this case, the biggest place value is the hundreds place, and the digit is 9. 9 becomes the dividend in this first iteration. 9 divided by 6. How many 6 can we take from 9? Let's try 1. 1 is then written on top, aligned with 9. 1 is then multiplied by the divisor, which is 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. The product is then written below and aligned with the dividend 9. The difference between 9 and 6 is then taken. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 3 is less than 6, and this means 1 is the correct quotient of the first iteration. 3 now becomes part of the new dividend. Since 3 is less than the divisor 6, the next digit of the original dividend is then brought down. This digit is 2. The new dividend then becomes 32. The same process can then be repeated until all digits in the original dividend have taken part in the division process. The operation now becomes 32 divided by 6. How many 6 can we take from 32? Let's try 5. Write 5 on top and aligned with 2. 5 is then multiplied by 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. The product is then written below and aligned with 32. The difference between 32 and 30 is then taken. 32 minus 30 equals 2. 2 is less than 6, and this means 5 is the correct quotient of the second iteration. 2 now becomes part of the new dividend. Since 2 is less than the divisor 6, the next digit of the original dividend is then brought down. This digit is 5. The new dividend then becomes 25. The operation now becomes 25 divided by 6. How many 6 can we take from 25? Let's try 4. Write 4 on top and aligned with 5. 4 is then multiplied by 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. The product is then written below and aligned with 25. The difference between 25 and 24 is then taken. 25 minus 24 equals 1. 1 is less than 6, and this means 4 is the correct quotient of the third iteration. Since there is no more digit in the original dividend to bring down, the operation stops here. 1, therefore, is the remainder. 925 divided by 6 is therefore equal to 154, remainder 1. Welcome to Hippocampus Learning Videos. If you are enjoying the Hippocampus Learning videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new learning videos are added to the channel. Hippocampus ETV is also on Patreon. Please check it out. Happy learning! To check if the quotient is correct, the product of the divisor and the whole part of the quotient can be taken. The remainder is then added to this product and the answer should be equal to the dividend. In this example, the expression will be 6 times 154 plus 1. Let us take the product of 6 and 154 first. 6 times 154. 6 times 4 equals 24. Bring down 4. Carry over 2. Next. 6 times 5 equals 30 plus 2 equals 32. Bring down 2. Carry over 3. Next. 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. Bring down 9. The product is 924 and the remainder is added to this. 924 plus 1 equals 925. 925 is equal to the dividend. The quotient, 154, remainder, 1, is therefore correct. Next example. 3,470 divided by 9. Let's begin. Remember, the dividend should be bigger than the divisor. In this example, the digit in the biggest place value in the dividend is 3. 3 is less than 9. This means 2 digits from the dividend have to be taken. Let us take 34 as the first dividend. How many 9s can we take from 34? Let's try 4. Write 4 on top and aligned with 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 34 minus 36. This will result in a negative value. 4 is therefore not the correct quotient. The correct one should be smaller than 4. Let's try 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. 34 minus 27 equals 7. 7 is less than 9, and this means 3 is the correct quotient. Since 7 is less than the divisor 9, the next digit of the original dividend is then brought down. Bring down 7. The new dividend then becomes 77. How many 9s can we take from 77? Let's try 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. 77 minus 72 equals 5. Bring down 0. The new dividend then becomes 50. How many 9s can we take from 50? Let's try 5. 5 times 9 equals 45. 50 minus 45 equals 5. Since there is no more digit in the original dividend to bring down, the operation stops here. 5, therefore, is the remainder. 3,470 divided by 9 is therefore equal to 385, remainder 5. Let's check. In this example, 9 times 385 plus 5 should be equal to 3,470. Let us take the product of 9 and 385 first. 9 times 385. 9 times 5 equals 45. Bring down 5. Carry over 4. Next. 9 times 8 equals 72 plus 4 equals 76. Bring down 6. Carry over 7. Next. 9 times 3 equals 27 plus 7 equals 34. Bring down 34. The product is 3,465 and the remainder is added to this. 3,465 plus 5 equals 3,470. 3,470 is equal to the dividend. The quotient, 385, remainder, 5, is therefore correct. That ends part 1 of the lesson in long division. In this part of the lesson, we perform the division of multi-digit dividends by single-digit divisors. As you have seen, as long as you know the basics of multiplication, subtraction, and addition, performing long division should not be difficult. In part 2 of the lesson in long division, we will perform the division of multi-digit dividends by multi-digit divisors. I hope you stay tuned for that. Thank you for joining us in learning this lesson. I hope you continue studying and continue watching these learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!